Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market. We've got a 2019 Kenworth W900 factory built glider kit day cab. It's got a 3406, 550 cat, 13 speed, 370,000 original miles, full lockers. I've gotten it hot today, gonna do a full walk around. Let's go ahead and get started with the engine. Southern truck, so no rust. Really good. Couple small little bends around the bolts there. You can see a little. Nice clean interior. Love the extended cab, leather seats. See the full lockers there. 370 on the miles. Low side oil pressure is fantastic. Smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, definitely feel free to give me a call anytime. 901-896-4526. You can email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.